reason aluminum is used. Electric is fucking oxygen is setting and burning. Melt it like a fucking, like an overcooked hot dog at a barbecue. I took that shit up in Apex, me and Mint. Yo, it's funny.
You and Mint took a
Mint
course?
picked me up at fucking, when I was going to welding school. They said, let's get our GEDs instead, and I fucking gave up fucking welding to get a GED because of fucking Mint. How's that? That's some funny shit right there.
My birthday, and this is how I roll, working at TUFF City. On my birthday, finishing up their shit. That's right. On film, I gotta give my man, metal man. That's how I spend my birthday at TUFF City, working with these motherfuckers, putting up their train. That's how I get that.
Yo, where the fuck is Stoner? Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't hear that.
I did.
You did it.
You did.
Yeah, I did.
You did? Well, you be quiet then.
Yeah, I did.